Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Naja Sherman.
And I'm Dan Schaefer. As the first night of the big old ballpark fair at Toyota Field comes to a close, concerns expressed by some community and health officials may be coming true. They spoke earlier this week about fears that guests at the fair wouldn't wear masks and social distance to fight the spread of coronavirus. WAAY 31's Will Robinson Smith has been there all night. Said a lot of people weren't wearing masks.
Will, describe what you saw and what did people say about the safety measures?
Well, at the entrance to the fairgrounds and around the fairground midway, there were signs advising people that they need to wear masks like the one I have on right now. But as we walked around, observed, and talked with people, there were some that chose to wear masks, others that didn't, and enforcement didn't seem to be a heavy priority. Snagging a magnetic fish on a miniature pole was the first thrill Thursday night for Sam Youngblood and her family. Her mom, Lauren, says this is the first real event they've attended since the coronavirus pandemic began. She says the safety precautions that Kissel Entertainment posted on the fair's event page made them feel comfortable about coming out.
I read the guidelines prior to coming about how everything's cleaned after every use, so that was encouraging.
Madison Kissel of Kissel Entertainment says there are several strict guidelines in place around the fairground to enforce safety, like plexiglass shields at food stands and ticket booths, as well as signs throughout reminding guests about social distancing.
We sanitize the ride before and after each rider. We sanitize all of the game equipment, the balls, the darts, etc., before and after each play.
In addition to the rides being sanitized before every ride begins, guests can also grab a sanitizing wipe, so when they get inside the ride, they can go ahead, strap themselves in, give it a good wipe down, and then step on the gas. Javante Holman says he and his family were also encouraged by all the steps Kissel Entertainment said it would do online, like its mask mandate for staff and guests who are not eating or drinking fair food.
As long as you keep 6 feet, everybody got their mask on, it should be scary, everybody should be good, nobody should get sick.
We do have Kissel team members who walk around with backpack sprayers on, sanitizing major touch points, the handrail, some of the fencing, and as they go around, they politely remind people to follow those guidelines.
Face coverings are recommended.
However, despite the assurances, WAAY 31 saw several people throughout the midway either wearing their masks below their mouths or not at all. Throughout the evening, we spoke with several people who were not wearing masks and asked if any of the fair staff had said anything to them. Everyone we spoke with said no.
I know that as far as the mandate for like Madison County, I think everybody's just used to outside events being, as far as social distancing goes, you don't have to wear the mask as long as it's outside. So that's probably why some people are not, maybe.
Now, according to the language on the event's Facebook page, it says that, quote, masks are required. Earlier today, Mayor Paul Finley of the city of Madison says that the city will be checking in with the fair to ensure that their guidelines are followed. Reporting live at Toyota Field in Madison, Will Robinson Smith, WAAY 31 News.